Hello, we are with you with the female Achu on each other. This is gonna be hilarious.
Yes.
Okay. We will be sneezing on each other with this.
Yay.
It is a lethal weapon used by sneeze fetishes. Okay. Do you want to sniff out on my hand or
Sure.
kinky? Is it working? This can only be 10 minutes.
Sort of. I might need more.
What? Damn, Pepper, I know. It's like not working. Okay, here. I'm gonna sniff it out of your hand. It's like broken pepper. This is great. This will work for me because anything makes me sneeze.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Let's see. I feel it tickling. Holy shit. More. Oh god. Come on, Pepper. Remember what the sneeze fetishes say. Breathe normally. It's our Pepper tutorial. You almost sneezing now?
Yeah.
That's awesome, but she sneezes when I need to sneeze. Holy shit, was that real? Oh god, this is awesome. Hold on, I think I got one. Hold on. God, you can fill in for all my... Damn it! Give me that.
You just like shove the pepper shaker up your nose.
Damn it, you let me. Give me a chance. Oh, I think I know which nostril. Sort of. We're gonna make like in the sneeze fetishes Hall of Fame here. In the Hall of Fail, perhaps.
Maybe.
Shut up, cat. He's not neutered. And he likes to show it off. Oh, I've got one. I've got one. Damn it. Hold on. You laugh like a dolphin. Damn it.
I'm sorry. Okay, anyways.
Anyways. This is gonna be an epic video.
Yes, it will be.
Okay, I should have one soon. If the cat would be quiet. Okay. I have a good sneeze. You guys will like it.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. If it comes out. Hopefully my parents won't like walk in. I'm 21 and they're like, what are you doing? Oh, jeez. Okay. Should have done this late at night. I'm such a dork. Damn it. I feel like a dolphin.
Dolphin?
Yeah, oh, here we go. Don't you finish it. I almost got it. Come on. Oh, I almost had it. I need to stand up to do this. I'm weird. I have to stand up to sneeze. Maybe not. Damn it! I'm gonna have it. I swear I'm gonna have it. By the end of this video, you will at least have heard one. And maybe not so much laughing. Well, yeah.
That depends on if Micah keeps himself quiet.
No, we're quiet. For once.
I have so much pepper in my hand. Like,
Well, let me help you.
exactly. What does it say?
Okay, there we go. Oh, holy shit.
Oh, yes.
She did, I swear to God. We're like telepathically linked nose-wise.
I know.
Just hold off. There we go again.
Kitty, quiet.
Okay, you guys will love
Nice.
this. You guys will love this. I'm so sorry.
No, that was sexy.
It was good. I have another one. I swear to God, I have another one. Want it in your hand or?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, that's okay.
I told you guys you'd like it. Everyone's probably like, what the fuck are they doing? How my nose is burning.
Oh, no.
Geez.
Oh, yeah. Oh, rawr.
I know, it's tickling. And the cat is screaming. I've got it in my throat. I am very... Want me to spray the screen?
That'd be hot.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna spray the screen. Hi, Micah.
Yes, you're a cat.
Yeah. Let's see if any spray comes out. We'll see what it looks like. I've never seen it, so stop cuddling my hand, Micah. Good kitty. Did you see the spray?
I did.
That's awesome. This is awesome. This is like the most epic video ever.
Yes.
And it has to be almost over. This sucks. Okay, I'm just trying to get as many sneezes as I can.
Mm-hmm. They're smiling, looking like a potato in the background.
Yay, potato! It's a couch potato. We're like two couch potatoes.
Yay!
Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, God. I'm so stuffy now. Oh, God. I think this video is officially over. Peace out. Wherever the fuck the screen is. Alright, later. No, you have to watch.